बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Assalamualaikum students. My name is Bisanila. I am from Bahria College DHA. Today I am going to teach you the parts of speech. Parts of speech. A part of speech is a class of words based on the word's function, the way it works in a sentence. There are 8 parts of speech in English grammar: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Noun is the name of person, place, thing, or idea. For example, table, chair, boy, girl, Ali. A noun is a naming word or any idea. All the naming words are noun. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word we use instead of noun. Instead of noun, we use a word that is pronoun. A pronoun is used in place of noun to avoid repetition. For example, Sarah is my best friend. Sarah is a noun. She likes me and I like her. She is pronoun and her is pronoun. Instead of noun, I used pronoun she and her. Verb. Verb. A verb tells or shows what someone is doing. A verb shows an action. For example, I eat an apple. She likes to drink milk. Eat is verb and like is verb, because these are actions. Adjective. Adjective modifies noun or pronoun. It gives more information about noun or pronoun. For example, Ali is tall. Tall modifies here Ali. Tall modifies noun. This bag is small. Small modifies bag. Small modifies noun. Small and tall is adjective. I want to buy a blue bag. Blue is adjective. Adverb. It modifies verb and adjective. Adverb is a word that modifies verb and adjective. It is used to give additional meaning to a verb or an adjective. For example, he runs fast. Fast modifies here verb. That's why it is adverb. She is very intelligent. Very modifies here adjective. That is intelligent. That's why it is adverb. Fast and very, these are adverbs. Preposition. Preposition is a word that connects noun or pronoun with another word in a sentence. It shows the position of noun or pronoun. For example, the cat is under the table. Under is preposition. Her book is lying on the chair. On is preposition, because it is telling us the position of noun. Conjunction. A conjunction is a word which joins two words or joins two sentences. For example, I want to come but I was not feeling well. But is joining two sentences. But is conjunction here. They went to beach and restaurant. Beach and restaurant, these are and is joining two words. That's why and is conjunction. Interjection. A word of joy or sorrow. Interjection is a word of joy or sorrow. Interjection is a word or phrase that expresses a strong feeling or emotion. For example, hurrah, we won the match. Here it is a expression of joy. Alas, he has lost his family in an accident. Here it is expression of sorrow. This is your home task. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.